So, one of the reasons I work out every day is because, end of the day, I mean, you're doing a lot of things in terms of working out. I mean, like your job, your business. So it's kind of stressed out and everything. So one of the prime reasons that I'm working out is to ensure that I stay focused. Then at the same time, the best part about working out is that if you continue working out, it lessens the stress, the tension, and then at the same time, the best part is it keeps you energized the whole day. But of course, I mean, working out is not enough. You also need to have a balanced diet in terms of how you do things on a day-to-day basis. But the key there is initially you start working out every day because it keeps your mind focused, sharp, and best part is stress-free within the day. Be great, guys.